Having problems with your allergies? Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to the garden center. This is, I think, my third attempt at doing this video. Hi all, welcome to the second year of me doing these videos here at the garden center. I've started recording a few of these and I haven't got any of them out. I haven't finished a single one. I may play some of those other videos, so if this may be a disjointed video, but I want to get one out today if possible. We've got a lot of exciting stuff planned for this year. I was going to take you through some of it and then just kind of maybe come up with a way to finish this video later on. You can see we've got a lot of our seeds going. We've got annuals, herbs, veggies, fruits, all kinds of stuff we're excited about. Fenugreek, a bunch of different basils. This basil grows great here. Here we've got all the tomatoes and peppers coming along nicely, getting some sun today. If you grow your own, especially tomatoes, if you see these have nice thick stems, that's because we harden them off well. We put them out in the wind where they can blow around. We run our hands across them regularly. If you look at other places' tomatoes, or if you grow your own, you have really thin stems, it's because you've been growing them inside. They haven't had to struggle, so they're going to be weak and tall. They might be pretty, but the minute you put them out, especially in Oklahoma wind, they'll flop over and it won't be pretty. So if you take them outside. Today's a nice sunny day. Any day it's over 50, put them outside for an hour. The next day put them out for 2 hours, 3 hours, so on, until you can get them out all day. And about that time, that's when they'll be ready to plant, about mid-April. Here's a few more stuff, some of the younger tomatoes, anise. We got all kinds of fun stuff. One of our favorite things to grow are herbs and fruits and veggies that we can eat, and it's still pretty. This anise has a real nice kind of leaf. There we go. Try not to just yank the plant up. Alright, so it looks like there's a storm coming in, so all of the tomatoes I'm going to bring back in. Not that rain is bad, but I don't want a storm messing up all our stuff. And since it's kind of cloudy anyway, it's not going to get any more sun out there than it's going to in here. So these are Nasturtiums, and they're probably one of the best plants. They're hardy, they're pretty, they sort of a scrambling, vining. They'll either trail or they can climb up something. But they have a really interesting leaf. Their flowers are giant and pretty and bright, and they taste good. You can eat their leaves, you can eat the flowers. Sort of a arugula, spicy, peppery. They're just a really neat plant. And they're pretty easy to grow. So if you have some of these, put them like near your front walkway or trailing over a pot near your front door or something like that. It'll be really pretty, and if you have guests coming over, you can yank some flowers and throw them on the salad and they'll be really impressed. Okay, So I got all the stuff in. I'll get more into the specific varieties we're growing once they're ready to plant. Okay. Little, what is this, lime? Little lemon, right there. I guess while I'm here, the citrus blossoms are probably, can you see any of those? Oh, there. The citrus blossoms are probably one of the best flowers. They smell really good. Makes this whole greenhouse smell great. They bloom like crazy. They're pretty. So even if you don't care about the fruit, the plants are pretty neat to have. And we've got a variegated one with this nice kind of purple tint. The flowers are kind of purple before they open up. And then they open up to that white. And it's just, oh, we got a whole bunch of lines. Good lord. I didn't even see this. But, it smells good. You're really missing that. Okay. Knocking over plants. So like I said, this is my third attempt at this video. Once you see the pretty plants. Part of the issue I've had is coming up with what to say. It's like, I don't want to bore you guys. I'd like to talk about what interests you, what problems you have. So if there's any things you all would like me to talk about or discuss, or any questions, please leave them in the comments. Any video ideas you guys might have. So for now, I'm just going to get this one out. I'm like a squirrel. I saw something shiny.